In the quiet of the forest, a child discovered a cage, rusted, forgotten, and inside, a beating heart, waiting for the sky. The child's hands did not take, they gave. With a single gesture, the world widened. The bird trembled, then chose the light. Alone, the child sat beneath the tree, but freedom is never lost. It returns. First one bird, then many, carrying twigs, carrying hope. Together they built not a cage, but a home. Not bars of iron, but branches and leaves. Not silence, but song. And the cage, it slept, swallowed by moss. For love had no use for prisons, only for open skies, only for wings.